to first gear, very tight corner, and you have to keep not very open to be really quick in the
and 7 form a chicane. Oh, takes just a bit too much curve. It's running wide. He got away with that. Turn 8, an armful of lock, but he's run wide again. This lap is not worth.
Picking up on that Mr. Hamashima's discussion again then, in terms of you could go super.
Up through the high-speed turn and then into immediately another.